Hey y'all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking channel. I am Darren, and today I'm going to do something really special. I'm going to show you our presidential suite here on the Carnival Celebration cruise ship. That's what I happen to be on today. Alright, I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, so it's room 17209 here on the 17th floor. And this is where all the spa rooms are. So all the other rooms up here are spa rooms, even though the spa is not located on this deck. There is a special little elevator I'll show you right here that takes you down to the spa. It only goes one way. It's just a special elevator. It goes down to the thermal suites in the spa all the way down on deck 5. So it goes from 17 to 5 only, and it's just for people on this deck, which includes the presidential suite. Now there's two presidential suites on both Celebration and the Mardi Gras. There's one on each side. This is 17209. I think 17210 is the other suite that is right down on the other end of the hall there. Alright guys, so let's go on inside and take a look at the presidential suite. So here it is. We're going to walk in. This is your living area, your main living area. And as you can tell, you got plenty of space here. You got your own little dining area, table with 4 chairs, a nice big light, some artwork here. It's your air conditioning control, light switch. Here is your bar area. Plenty of storage space, as you can tell. My family's been busy collecting ducks they've been finding. So you got a little bar sink, you have a little refrigerator, and some of the things that they do include when you get the XL suites is they will include your bottomless bubbles, which is all your sodas and stuff. You get free, and they'll ask you what you want, and they'll load it up into your refrigerator for you. All your bottled water, unlimited bottled water, and unlimited sparkling water. And my family's been drinking the heck out of this San Pellegrino. So that's all included in the XL suites. Just a quick look, guys, what's included in the presidential suite. You can also download that on carnival.com. Some of your storage area for clothes. Now this is where your family can sleep. I think you need at least 5 people to rent the presidential suite, because that's the only way it would come up for us. So this is how the beds are set up. The bottom turns into a couch, of course, and that fits 2 people. And then you got a Pullman, comes down. So you got a little sitting area here with a lamp. So when that's turned into a couch, your little table gets up next to it, and you got a nice little seating area. Nice big TV out here. Another shelf for storage. Again, there's your breakfast nook, or whatever you want to call it, eating area. And when you come down here, this is your closet for the people that are staying out here in the living area. When you open up the closet doors, you got a light that comes on. So you got 2 sides. Plenty of storage spots. So this is your entrance door, of course. And then here's your door to your bathroom, which has your toilet and 1 sink. And you got a little storage for your bathroom accessories. Here's your toilet. Got a little drain here, so I guess they can hose this out if they wanted to. A little trash can, more storage down there. Pocket door that leads to the bathing area of your restroom. And this has 2 sinks, 1 on each side, with plenty of storage as well. All your towels are in here, plenty of storage on both sides. Two big huge sinks. So you got a total of 3 bathroom sinks, plenty of storage. Of course, you got mirrors on each side here and one in the toilet area so you can watch yourself, using the toilet. Check out the big shower here. It's one of my favorite features because it's so big. It has a rainfall or rain shower shower head, and also has 4 jets on the wall that come out. Give you your Elemis body lotion, shampoo, conditioner. It's got a little hand wand from the shower. Also, you got your little leg shaving bar there for your legs, of course. And this opens up into the bedroom area. Come out there. Another pocket door that closes here. Go ahead and close that up and close off the bathroom. And then when you come out, you turn to the right. You got a full-length mirror and 3 closets. 3 full-size closets here on this side. I'll open up this one. It's got storage spot for shoes and all that. And of course your safe, all your hanging clothes, and more other space down here for those 2. And then you got another nook over here on the right. More drawers, so you got plenty of space for storing all your clothes for an 8-day cruise. So each side has their own little end table and night table, and they got a drawer in there as well, some storage underneath. Each side has their own USB charging port and their own little reading light, so you don't have to have the big light on if you just want to read in bed so you don't disturb anybody else. Got your big light here on the ceiling. It also has a light in the background here. Oh, turn that back on. It's got a background light behind the bed. Another big TV for this room with a nice little storage shelf underneath it for your odds and ends. They just made up this room, so you can tell they made the bed. We got our little towel animal for today. Got a nice little sitting area on this side of the bed. Of course, like I said, another nightstand with a little reading light and USB charger. This is your makeup area, your get ready area. It's got more storage here, drawers for clothes. Also, it's got another phone in here to call for reservations and anything you need. Both areas have plenty of power outlets and USB jacks. You have the same thing in the living room on the bar area. More power and USB jacks on that as well. And this is your access to your deck. And we'll come back around to that because I'm going to take you through the front. So let's go back into the living area. Okay, and like I said, plenty of room just to sit here and chat. When that's turned back into a couch, and you can have them turned back into a couch whenever you want. We just decided to leave them as beds, but plenty of space to sit there and watch your movies. And the best part of this suite, in my opinion, is the access to your own huge deck. You got access from the bedroom and the living room here. I'm going to take you out this way. Make a left. You got a little seating area here, a little couch, a little love seat, a couple of rocking chairs. And we're facing the front of the ship. We're sitting right on top of the bridge where the captain controls the ship. So we're sitting right on top of it. So this whole spot, this is just the first part of the deck. You turn here. You got a little table. You can sit out here and have some meals. You can have room service bring them to you. Room service is included in the XL suites. You just need to leave tips. So looking out at the front of the ship, this barrier here is more to protect you from wind because it does get windy up here. This here is a artificial fireplace that illuminates out here. You can't have any really big lights out here for navigational and other reasons. So you have a remote that controls this, and I'll post a video in this section showing you what it looks like at night, because that's where you really get the effect of this, how it looks is at night. All right, guys, so here's what it looks like at night, and you can change colors on the remote control to pretty much whatever you want. It's a really cool feature. Sitting out here at night, watching the stars, having a few cocktails, glass of wine, just relaxing. It's a really cool thing on the deck here. So, like I said, you can eat out here, a little sitting area here. This is your main part of your deck, and you got several different seating options. Lots of space. You can invite friends up here if you want. All this is yours. You don't have to fight anybody for lounge chairs. There's another lounge chair there. This is looking from down the side of the ship. You can see all the way to the back. I'll show you. You can see the hot tubs there in the back. You can see down there is the Havana area on deck 8. We're on deck 17. You see some of the other cabins and areas down the ship. Up there is the Serenity deck. They're on 18. Come around this way. This is your personal jacuzzi hot tub and shower here. So you can actually stay out here all day and get some sun, come over here, cool off with your own shower. You can jump on the little jacuzzi tub, fill it up, and just sit out there looking at the water in your own little jacuzzi tub. It takes about 30 minutes for that to fill up though, but pretty awesome to have your own little jacuzzi tub. Like I said, the shower comes in real handy. We were out here most of the day yesterday, and being able to just get up and take a shower by yourself and cool off, it's pretty amazing. This here is a little cooler, so you fill this up with ice and your sodas and water, and you just come grab it whenever you want to. It keeps it all nice and cold, keeps the ice from melting. And that's it, guys. This is an amazing deck. It's one of the best things having this presidential suite. This is your own private area. You don't have to worry about trying to go save a lounger out on the main deck or Lido deck or anything. Got your own little party area. Here's the door for the bedroom. And these all open pretty hard, so you gotta let it slam shut so it shuts the air conditioning, turns it back on, because it will shut the air off if that's not closed all the way. So here we are back in the bedroom. Show you what it looks like with the door open, or with the curtain pull. And there you go. There's your presidential suite on the Carnival celebration. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check it out. Get a good deal on it, and this could be yours, guys. It's the only way to cruise. One of the things they do allow you to get, they do include when you get this room, is you have access to Loft 19. All right, one of the things you do get when you get one of the XL suites is you get access to Loft 19, which is an exclusive area for people who just have access to it. So we're gonna go up and just take a quick look. I think my son and his fiance are up there right now. And you access it from the Serenity deck here on the front of the ship on deck 18. It takes you up to 19. As you can tell, Loft 19. All right, so now we're in Loft 19. As you can tell, we're pretty much at the top of the boat. You got a little blocked off area there they have for special occasions. They have their own towels for strictly up here. All these gray loungers are ones that are open. And they also have private cabanas that you can rent up here. They're about $2,500 for the whole cruise, and you get your own special area with all your own loungers and your own concierge. A real special area. Has a little infinity hot tub up here, and you get to look down on the Serenity area. As you can see, got your little hot tub. It's a pretty big area. Trying to see if my son's up here. It goes on both sides, and all these cabanas are all out there as well. You do have to pay extra for the cabanas, but any of these other loungers you get to use as well. Not that you would really need it, since you have the presidential suite. You don't really need to have a special place for your own loungers because you got your own. But as you can see, there's plenty available up here because it's only available for people who pay for the cabanas and for Excel Suite guests. But lots of room up here. And look, found some special guests up here that they're fancy. You must be in the presidential suite.
Oh, we are.
Aren't you fancy?
The fanciest.
And look, you found a spot all by yourself up here.
It's been so quiet up here.
Wow. Well, that's one of the benefits of being in the presidential suite. All right, guys, we'll take a look at the hot tub that's up here from this angle. And as you can see everything. And that down there is the Serenity area, which gets pretty full. Now on the Mardi Gras and the Celebration, the Serenity area has its own pool, which they don't on a lot of the other ships. And the Serenity area is a lot bigger on the Mardi Gras and Celebration than a lot of the other ships. Well, that's it, guys. That's your Loft 19 area. And you also have access to the Havana area. So that little private area that you normally only have access to if you had a Havana room, you get that. You also have access to the thermal suites and the spa. That's all included. A lot of things are included when you get the presidential suite, guys. So check it out. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you on the next fire and water cooking video.